Welcome to Zwida Media. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Here's a new video for today. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. This is Uvutha. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscription button so that YouTube will let you know whenever we upload and new updates. On today's top stories, we got Babes Odumo. The hit star was attacked on social media after wishing DJ Tira a happy birthday. Fans were saying that you are wishing a happy birthday to the father of your child. This is a sensitive issue. How do you think Tira's wife and Mampincha will take this act? It could be a deal breaker. Some fans showed remorse and some took it further. Her legal team has been trying to reach many people involved in this matter. Let us know on the comment section how you feel about this situation and how people are using social media. Please do not forget to catch us on the next update we got.